collide for the 5th time. Orlando has won 3 of the first 4. What happens here in the final week before the summer break?
Anderson gets in front. Banda bashes it past Allen. Barbara Banda scores her 10th of the season. Pride lead 1-0 in the first 5 minutes. Bay find an equalizer inside of 5 minutes of Banda's goal.